Hello Kisho holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the future of the Kisho. In the July month, the price of the Kisho pump or dump. In this video I'm going to discuss, but before starting this video, my friends, you have to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, please subscribe now. So first of all, in this video I'm going to discuss the latest update, and after that we discuss the future of the Kisho, my friends. So currently price of the Kisho, in the market is very low, 0.00000002. My friends, I can't count the number of zero, but you can easily read out these reading, my friends. That is the price of the Kisho. So from this price, that's clear that the price of the Kisho is very low. So that is why I really recommend for everyone that please buy more and more Kisho, because that's the next gem. They will give you good amount of profit, my friends, if you buy a Kisho, in a large amount, my friends. Anyways, other side you can see, if we talk about the price changes, so now this time the changes in the Kisho, is negative. But my friends, every time is not the same time, my friends. It's sometimes the price pump, it's sometimes the price dump. So you have to hold, my friends. You have to wait. You have to patience, my friends. Don't be disappointed, my friends. Always think positive about the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Kisho. Oh my goodness, what's going on in the cryptocurrencies market in the whole July month? Every coin is falls down, my friends. Every cryptocurrency's price falls down in the June month, my friends. But now in the July month, I think everything is going positive at this time, my friends. Everything will be become positive in the July month. But you have to only hold Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin. These all the coin, my friends, at this time you are holding, so please hold this coin, because now this time I know the changes in the this coin is negative, but you have to wait, you have to patience, my friends. Anyways, so how do you feel today about the Kisho? What's your prediction? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.